This video will demonstrate how to wire multiple AMF16000 batteries in parallel. Step 1. Connect the ground wires. Connect all batteries and the inverter to the ground separately. Step 2. Connect the communication cables between batteries. Please note the connection order. Connect the RS4851 port of the previous battery to the RS4852 port of the next battery, and so on. Step 3. Connect the communication cable between the battery and inverter. Run a communication cable from the CAN port of the first battery to the BMS CAN port on the inverter. This is the specific location to connect with the battery communication cable. Next comes the power wiring. Step 4. Connect the positive terminals. First, connect the positive terminals of all batteries to the bus bar. Connect the positive terminal of the inverter to the bus bar. Step 5. Connect the negative terminals. The process is the same as for the positive side. With all the wiring done, we can proceed to the final power-up sequence. Turn on all battery breakers. Switch on the inverter's bat switch. Press each battery's power button. Turn on the inverter. All batteries are now connected in parallel.